The TradeStation Portfolio Maestro is a comprehensive strategy backtesting tool that provides portfolio-level performance reporting, risk assessment, and optimization for virtually any combination of symbols and strategies. Using a relative backtest approach, Portfolio Maestro can closely simulate how orders and positions would actually have been managed had the portfolio been traded in real time. While portfolio testing has been challenging in other backtesting tools, Portfolio Maestro's simple, intuitive design and tight integration with the TradeStation platform offers ease of use with integrated data access for strategy traders of every level. During this presentation, we will evaluate the performance of a group of strategies applied to a basket of symbols that make up a portfolio. Portfolio Maestro comes with 2 sample portfolios and 2 sample strategy groups to get you started. But let's create one from scratch to highlight some of the optimization, money management, and reporting features that are available to help you build and refine your portfolio. Strategies and symbol lists are grouped into what is called a strategy group. One or more strategy groups are saved into a portfolio that is backtested to evaluate the overall performance of all its strategies and symbols. This allows for different strategies to be grouped within the same portfolio. First, let's create a strategy group by selecting the strategies and symbols we're going to test. In the shortcut bar on the left, click the Manage Strategy Groups button, and then click New from the toolbar on top. Enter a new strategy group name, and click OK. Click the Add Strategy button to select from a list of strategies available in your TradeStation platform. Click the checkboxes on the left to select the strategies. For this example, I select Bollinger Bands and ATR targets and stops. Click OK. Click the Strategy Settings button to edit strategy inputs, strategy properties, and money management rules for each strategy component individually. Money management strategies, also known as position sizing strategies, are used to determine a position size based on various factors such as equity, trading range, risk, volatility, and others. Click OK. Once the strategies are selected, let's click the Symbol Lists tab to select the basket of symbols for the portfolio. Click the Add Symbol List button to select from built-in TradeStation symbol lists, from Reuters symbol lists, or TradeStation custom symbol lists. I click the plus sign for TradeStation symbol lists, click the plus sign for index components, click the plus sign for Dow Jones indexes, and select Dow Composite. Click OK, and the symbols are added to your strategy group. Click the plus next to the symbol list name to view the symbols. You may continue to add symbols by clicking the Add Symbol List button again. Click the Interval Settings button to select the data interval that will be used during the backtest. For this demonstration, we select Daily Data. Click OK. Now, let's create a portfolio to test. In the shortcut bar on the left, click the Manage Portfolio button. Click the New button in the toolbar and enter a name for your portfolio. Click OK. The portfolio will appear in the Selections pane below. Click the Add Strategy Group button to select the group of strategies and symbols we just created. You may click the plus next to the strategy group name to review the strategies and symbols in it. Once the strategy group is selected, click OK. Notice that you may continue to add strategy groups by clicking the Add Strategy Group button at the top. This allows you to use multiple strategy groups in a portfolio to backtest different scenarios within a single portfolio. Click the Portfolio Settings button if you wish to set an overall portfolio constraint or stop. Constraints are used to subject a portfolio to requirements that exist in real trading situations. If a constraint is violated when a trade is to be placed, the trade will be canceled and will not appear on the list of trades. For this example, I select maximum number of open positions. I type 30 in the field and click the Set Constraint button to set it. The information appears in the list of constraints. When using portfolio stops, if a portfolio gain or loss exceeds a set value, all positions will be closed and the trades will not be taken until the next specified period. Click OK. Now we're ready to backtest our portfolio. Click the Backtest Portfolio button at the top right of Portfolio Maestro. In the Settings tab, you may specify your initial capital and the amount of historical data to use in the backtest. You also have the option to select the type of backtest to run: standard, optimization, or walk forward. When using optimization, you may run the full set of input parameters or use genetic algorithm. The range of parameters to optimize is set in the Strategy Inputs tab and the Portfolio Inputs tab. When using walk forward optimization, you may set your out-of-sample and in-sample data parts. Set your trade size and commissions in the Cost and Quantity tab. For this example, I set the optimization type to Standard and I trade a fixed amount of $10,000 with a commission cost of a penny per share. In the Symbols tab, you may exclude certain symbols if needed, and select the symbols for which you would want to see a chart displaying all the generated trades. I will click the Create All Charts button to have a chart available for each symbol. Click the Perform Backtest button and start backtesting the portfolio. A progress bar at the bottom of the dialog will display the status of your backtest. Once completed, a dialog will ask you if you wish to view the analysis now or later. Let's click the View Now button. Notice how the Contents panel switches to a global performance report providing detailed information on the performance of all the strategies in the strategy group applied to all the symbols in the symbol lists for the backtest period selected. Click on any of the tabs on top to select a particular view, including a trade analysis, trades list, and performance graphs such as equity curve and total P&L by symbol. Click the Analysis bar in the shortcut bar to access other advanced analytics, such as Monte Carlo analysis and correlation analysis. All Portfolio Maestro's performance and optimization reports provide a comprehensive analysis of the portfolio from many different perspectives. Portfolio Maestro goes beyond backtesting. It provides advanced analytics and the ability to specify portfolio-level risk and money management constraints. For additional information, please use the tutorial button in the toolbar for a guided walkthrough in creating strategy groups and portfolios. Additional help resources are also available by clicking Help and selecting Portfolio Maestro Help. Thank you for watching.